in a structured manner, if you see, life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life. So the two key words here are adaptive and positive. So adaptive here would mean that a person is flexible in approach. That is something which is very, very important. Darwin said something which was about survival of the fittest. And the ones who are the fittest are the ones who adapt very quickly. That's what we've seen in the domain of nature. It is most true for us as we live our lives today. If we are not flexible, we are in for major trouble. And when we look at something which is related to positive behavior, it basically is that a person is forward-looking and finds a way of hope, solution, and opportunities even in difficult situations. So if you are looking for a technical take on what are life skills, it is about two things. One is adaptive and the other is about positive behavior, right? And this is time for you to actually look at how do we adapt quickly in the school scenario to a change which is happening in our overall way of going about things. We are talking about an altogether revamping of the way that we are going to evaluate students. So how do we adapt to that circumstance fast? And then when we are talking about generating a positive behavior to adapt, what are those tools of trade which I need to be aware of? And how do I implement those tools of trade for successful implementation of CCE at the school level?